Today we'll be talking about the Dred versus Sandford Supreme Court case. This court case was a very important civil rights case back in 1846. The background of this case was that Dred Scott was a slave whose owner moved from a slave state to a free state, and Scott sued for his freedom, claiming that he now lives in a free state and should be free. So basically, Dred Scott, he was a slave, and back then slaves weren't considered citizens of the United States. They were considered to be property. So Dred Scott, he was tired of it, tired of being a slave, and now that he lived in a free state, he wanted to be free, so he sued. But the decision was that since he was considered not a citizen, he had no standings in court, which means that, he failed to become a free man. And this really sparked a lot of controversy back in the 1840s because, really it was like the rise of the Civil War, and it sparked a lot of people's mindsets about, slavery and how it affected the country. And the two amendments that went along with this case would be the 13th Amendment, which is the abolishment of slavery, and the 14th Amendment, which states that all citizens are considered a U.S. citizen if they are born on U.S. soil or if they are born to U.S. parents. And that is the Dred Scott versus Sandford case.